Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Pastels, with their gentle and dreamy hues, have become the darlings of contemporary interior design. These soft, muted colors transform living spaces into tranquil retreats, offering a perfect blend of sophistication and comfort. Explore the versatility of pastels in different design styles, from modern and minimalist to cozy and Scandinavian. Learn how pastels can open up small spaces, adding a sense of airiness and light. See how these soft colors can blend seamlessly with natural materials like wood and stone, creating a harmonious and inviting environment. You'll also witness the magic of pastel accents, from pastel-colored throw pillows and artwork to pastel kitchen cabinets and bathroom tiles. These subtle touches can add a pop of personality and charm to any room, making it truly unique. Join us on this journey through modern interior design in pastel shades, and let the soothing colors of pastels inspire your next home makeover. It's time to embrace the understated beauty and serenity of pastel-hued interiors.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!